Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. So of course, another wig and makeup transformation is on the way. So I'm going to start off with this NYX Wonder Stick. I'm going to do something a little different this time and contour with this before I put on my foundation. If you guys watched my ABC like backwards whatever challenge, I did this in that video. I can link that up in the eye for you guys so you can check it out. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and contour like I usually do. And I am using a sponge. Okay, I'm going in with the Maybelline Color Tattoo Crayon. I believe this is a cream eyeshadow, but we're using it as a highlight because we do what we want on this channel. So yeah, I'm going to use a sponge to blend it out. Okay, Maybelline Fit Me Poreless. I'm just going to do a thin coat all over my face because I want that contour and that highlight to still show through. So yeah, using a sponge also helps with that because it shears the foundation out and you can still see all that crap that I just laid down. So yeah, there you go. Okay, I'm going to mix these two concealers together, Makeup Revolution and the Wet n Wild. The Wet n Wild is hella bright, like Casper bright white. So mixing it together with the Revolution one makes it a little more wearable. And now I'm just going to set that with the Airspun powder. Okay, so Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. I'm going to be combing my eyebrow hairs up, you can see. And then I'm going to be drawing them up. I want these eyebrows to look a little unkempt, a little wild, a little Edward Scissorhands. Wait, did Edward Scissorhands even have eyebrows? I don't know. You get the idea. I want them a little wild. And yeah, I'm going to just continue to comb the product through and comb my eyebrow hairs up. Okay, so I'm going back in with the Anastasia Dip Brow to make my eyebrow hairs a little more wild and a little more defined. I just really wanted a sort of unkempt, bushy eyebrow for this look. Okay, now I'm going in with the Ardell Eyebrow Gel just to hold my eyebrow hairs up and in place. Ooh, she bushy. Okay, so now I'm going in with a NYX eyeshadow base in white. And I'm just going to place this on my eyelids where I'm going to be placing eyeshadow. I know it looks a little crazy, but it all works out in the end, believe me. Okay, so now I'm just setting that with the Airspun powder, and I'm going in now with this NYX Ultimate Palette. I'm going to be using this bright yellow, and that's why I use the white base, because I want this to be as bright as it can be. Okay, same concealer mixture under my eyes. I'm going to pat that out because I am going to be bringing some of that eyeshadow down. I wanted to hurry up and put this down before I continued the eyeshadow. Okay, I wasn't getting the payoff that I wanted until I started using my fingers, and you can see the huge difference in how bright it is after I started using my fingers. So I'm just going to go ahead and place that where I want it and then blend it out on the edges. Okay, so this is the one thing that I would change if I do this look again. Instead of just using like a glitter, I use this Smashbox lip gloss. It looked beautiful, but my eyelids were so damn sticky, I swear. So anyway, now I'm going to go in with my sponge in that same contour that I used earlier, and I'm just going to go ahead over where I contoured because it just wasn't shining through as much as I wanted it. Okay, now I'm using the same yellow as sort of like a highlight. You can sort of see it. I just wanted it to be real subtle. And now with this orange, I'm using that as a blush. Okay, a light coat of mascara, Maybelline Colossal, my favorite, you know how I roll. And this is about it for the face. Of course, I'm going to add lipstick in the lashes, but let's get to the wig. Okay, so I did a collab with my bestie, Linwood of Glamfam. He did an amazing review on this wig on his channel, so make sure to go over there and check it out if you guys want all the deets on this amazing piece. Because you know I didn't pick this wig out. You know how I be picking wigs. But anyway, I'm just going and adding some wand curls just to give it a little like beachy, messy, but not too messy look. Okay, so I'm just finger combing through those curls, and the finished look is right here. Okay, so I added an orange lip, and I'm also wearing eyelashes where I hid the lash band. If you guys want to see how to do that, I do have a video. I will link it for you guys in the eye now. I know y'all gonna let me know how you feel about this makeup and this wig in the comments below, so I will chat with y'all there. Also, make sure to check out the description box for the link on Glamfam's review on this wig. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next time. Make sure to head over to my Instagram at MakeupMenaree for a lot of daily posts, a lot of funny throwbacks. This one of my husband and I. Yeah, just a lot more personal stuff on here. Make sure to head on over and check me out at MakeupMenaree on Instagram.